Hello, today I wanted to share a very quick tutorial on how I made this crochet chain. Those of you that crochet understand this is a little crochet pun. I use this as an accessory in a couple different outfits that I've made. This is specifically for a Harley Quinn look. You're just going to need some hardware to attach your chain, some yarn. I use worsted weight acrylic here in two different colors. I have a tapestry needle, some scissors, and a crochet hook. For the hardware, I just have these clips and keychain rings. I want to start out by saying I am about to say chain quite a lot because this is a crochet tutorial. So to make our chain links, we are going to chain the width of our desired chain pieces. I am doing 3 stitches by 20 rows of single crochet. I add an extra chain in the foundation stitch so that I can turn back and single crochet across. And all you're going to do is turn and keep crocheting until you have the desired length of chain that you would like, keeping in mind that to make this chain, it's just a bunch of rectangles folded in on each other and stitched together around the previous piece. So we have completed the length here. So after you have the desired length, you're just going to pull this rectangle through the last loop of chain you made, and all we're going to do is take the first row and the last row and single crochet them together. If you wanted to, you could do a more seamless hand stitch together, such as the mattress stitch or something like that, but I usually just go with the single crochet because to me it is faster. And then I weave in my ends. I do try to weave in my ends as I go for a project like this because there will be quite a few. And there you go. We're going to do that again, and this time we're going to add one of those links that you see on my magnet in the corner. That is just a keychain ring and one of those lobster claw clips, and I just link it around my rectangle before I stitch it together. That way we have everything in place. And then we join the rows together, and this end is all set and ready to attach to a cosplay, to a jacket. It's just a fun little accessory and a pretty fairly beginner friendly activity. So this is me putting it on my shorts, testing it out. Again, this was for a Harley Quinn look, so I have her signature red and black. It's also a really nice lightweight accessory, as most of the crochet accessories I make tend to be. I really like this project and I plan to make it quite a few more times in other colors. Let me know if you try it out and what you think.